Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem-solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple-choice question with only one correct option on the angular frequency of a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. The question is as follows. An electric dipole is formed by two equal and opposite charges Q with separation d. The charges have the same mass m. It is kept in a uniform electric field E. If it is slightly rotated from its equilibrium orientation and released, then its angular frequency omega will be. The options are root over QE by 2md, root over QE by md, root over 2QE by md, and 2 into root over QE by md. Now for the answer. The situation is shown in the figure. Each charge on the dipole is equal to Q and mass is equal to m. Length of the dipole is equal to d. It is placed in a uniform electric field E acting towards right. Now it is rotated from its equilibrium configuration POQ and released. At any instant, let the configuration is equal to AOB. Let angle BOQ is equal to theta. Now, force on each charge is given by F is equal to QE. It acts towards right on the positive charge at B and towards left on the negative charge at A. The two equal and opposite forces produce a torque which is given by tau is equal to force F into perpendicular distance between the lines of action of the two forces. Therefore, tau is equal to QE into d sin theta. Now, moment of inertia of the dipole about O is given by I is equal to half md square. Let the angular acceleration of the dipole is equal to alpha. Therefore, we have tau is equal to I alpha. Now, putting the values of tau and I from equations 1 and 2 and simplifying, we get alpha is equal to 2QE by md into sin theta. As theta is very small, putting sin theta is equal to theta, we get alpha is equal to 2QE by md into theta. Therefore, angular acceleration is directly proportional to theta. Therefore, time period of oscillation is given by t is equal to 2 pi into root over md by 2QE, which gives omega is equal to 2 pi by t, which is equal to root over 2QE by md, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.